Hi, I'm Romina, and I am worried that I might be presenting myself as though my home is always orderly and it's always tidy, and that's just not the case. And I would advocate for being orderly and being organized because it helps when there is a disastrous space, that when there is a nightmare space, it's a nothing burger to reset things. So today I'm trying a new style of video. It's a vlog style video with my new toy gimbal, and I'm going to do a tour of my home and show what my house really looks like. Okay, spinning around. Okay, I've just spun the camera around, and this is where I usually shoot my talking head videos, but here's the nightstand table. Things need to be put away. And here's the unmade bed. Rarely is made, actually. Clothes. Laundry that needs to be done. It's not insane. And here is just more items that need to be put away. What is the bathroom? This is my bathroom. What is that? It's not bad. Not bad. See? Felt like a nothing burger. All right, exiting my bedroom into the kitchen. This is partially staged. I ordinarily manage to get all the dishes into the dishwasher before you leave for school. Content. Got to get that content going. That needs to be unloaded. And here is the recycling situation. You see over there? Let's zoom in. Angle. And there's the porchetta tray I need to clean. There's the pan I need to clean. There's the rusty what is that called? Cast iron pan. This is the kids' messy too. I'm at peace with this most of the time, as long as the floor is cleared. It's pretty clear. Okay, so here's the kitchen. Let's see, what is the status of it? My husband and my children enjoy playing poker together. I don't love how it takes over my dining room. And here's the state of the living room. It's not awful. It's not great either. Okay, it's not great. It needs attention. Let's see, what is Tony's room looking like? Okay, again, rarely are beds made in this house. Vomit laundry that needs to be taken care of. This brown bag is brown bag of things to go downstairs, and that black bag is items for my children's school carnival, and we're going to donate all those. Ooh, this is good. This is on purpose mess. This is our home office, and also the post renovation. Actually, we're technically still in the middle of renovations. Dumping ground. That's future content. Looking forward to that. What is the status of the laundry room? Oh, the Roomba got caught. There you go, Roomba. Soccer gear. That needs to be washed. Children and their mess. They're so sweet. They love wrapping gifts. They love making creations and wrapping gifts for other people. I would never stop them from doing that. What is this? It's not bad. Here's another view of the office. Can't wait to attack that. And there's the It's just drying out. I need to put it away because, like I said, there was vomit in the house, and that stain treatment, laundry that needs to be folded. See, here we are still needing electrical work. We are not done with this reno, and it's just Lego. Lego, Lego, Lego. There is the toy closet. Or packed with toys. There is. So that's the current state of the house. I mostly wanted to record this so that I'm not accused of being a fraud. I I like being organized, but I'm not naturally tidy. Organized and tidy. They have many. Yeah, no, not. I am naturally not tidy. I am naturally organized. I'm gonna think about that. Okay, I'm Romina. Thanks for sharing your time.
I actually did give tidiness, organizing, and my relationship with these two concepts more thought. And here is my oral essay. I stated that I'm not naturally tidy, but I am naturally organized. And I think that what I meant is that I believe that what naturally tidy people do is habitually clean as they go, which is not me, as clearly evidenced by my home. But I do enjoy organizing. I've identified that I enjoy establishing homes for items and developing systems or processes so that the resetting of spaces feels manageable. And my approach includes using intentional language when I attack a space. And being intentional with my self talk is rooted in my love of being a word nerd. I can be literal to a fault, totally preschooler style. I repeat to myself that my goal is to make progress. That is the goal. There is no end goal. The goal is to make progress. And I follow my sequence of tasks that helps with this goal. What I like about using a sequence is that I always have a plan, and that plan will help me make progress with little thought. My sequence is 1. Empty the drying rack. 2. Empty the dishwasher. 3. Load the dishwasher. 4. Wash the remaining dishes. And even this one, I only do fully, well, minimum once a day because experience has taught me that it's fine. 5. Clear the countertops in the kitchen. 6. Empty the dryer. Fold the laundry. Put away laundry. Begin a load of laundry. Transfer laundry later. And this sequence isn't even a daily routine. It's paused and resumed and sometimes even restarted at step 1 multiple times a day. And this makes sense because we eat meals at home more than once a day. And this sequence is my rock because I'm assured that my home will be inching towards better, and better is good. When or if I complete the sequence in a day, then I'll assess my energy and time, and then I'll address other spaces accordingly. A detail to consider about my personality is that I do not like cleaning. I I heard it as I said it how much of a petulant child I sound like, but one can never convince me that it's fun. No, 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 no. It is not fun for me. I believe that one can feel satisfaction after the cleaning is complete, but in no universe or timeline can anyone ever convince me that cleaning is fun, much less cleaning up other people's messes. Oh my stars, I do not like cleaning up after myself, and currently I have to clean up other messes. My children do clean their messes. They are lovely people. They are as independent as a 7 and a 5 and a 2-year-old could be. However, they still require reminders, and there are some tasks that they just cannot do. I timed myself this day out of curiosity, and the kitchen took 17 minutes, and the laundry room took me 16 minutes. And that's a nice point of reference for me to be able to tell myself that even in small chunks of time, like 15 minutes, I know that I can make visible progress. Now we're in the laundry room, and a pivot to say how much I love our laundry room. It functions beautifully for us, and I'm so lucky that we were able to renovate it to our, really my, wishes. Specifically for the process of laundry, I have 4 drawers facing the laundry machine, and all of my clothes and household linens, like towels and bed sheets, I carry up in my arms and I put them away. There is 1 drawer for every family member except for me. The 4th drawer currently is empty, but it will be for my youngest when she's old enough to carry clothes up the stairs by herself safely. So, all of the clothing for my 3 capable family members, they know to come downstairs to retrieve their clean clothes from their drawers. I love folding laundry. It's such a cozy activity. Everything smells clean. If I'm lucky, the clothes are nice and warm. And the way I've set it up is I have a nice clear counter space to do my folding and putting it away. I don't even have to move my feet, which is why I'm happy to do it for them. But putting everybody else's laundry away, no, 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 ma'am. No, thank you, ma'am. So this day I had a bit of time before my commitment, so I tidied up a little bit, but I intentionally did not and generally do not tidy up my children's messes. I would rather they continue to practice noticing their own messes and tidying up their own messes. I used to point things out to them, but these days I use the phrase walk around the house and tidy any messes that you have made. And me personally, I would rather maneuver around their messes and see their messes than to clean it up for them. I'm occasionally I'll clean it up for them, and I'm I announce to them, "I'll clear your dishes for you," and I expect them all to say thank you, mom, because I want them to notice. Also, sidebar comment, that's not where the Christmas wrap lives, but my children are really enjoying wrapping gifts right now, so I left it there so that they can access it. So I guess this video is my justification for calling myself orderly. Even though I am not one who habitually cleans as I go, the resetting of spaces is manageable. And that's what I wanted to share. Thanks for sharing your time. I'm Ramina.